Today we're going to install the new Evap Purge sensor on this 2013 Chevy Camaro. Just made a video of how to remove the original, and here's the replacement. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. It does come with everything you need. The little O-ring seal that goes here, the little grommets that go in there. So let's go ahead and add everything to its location. Alright, so we're going to want to put everything just like it is on the original. So this little green one's going to go up here. This upper one is going to go with this one and this little metal seal inside. And then this small one is going to go at the bottom. So let me go ahead and put everything together. Alright, there's the green one. And I found putting in this rubber piece in first and then this little metal piece second probably be the easiest way. Then we'll go ahead and put this one right in here. Once you have everything assembled and it looks exactly the same, let's go ahead and put it back into its location. This is going to go right in here. This little hose is in the way. Go ahead and put that in there. Just wiggle it back and forth and drive it in till you meet up with this. And we're going to put the bolt or the screw that goes in here. Alright, and just go ahead and screw it down with a 10mm. There's a little gap right there that's going to press down on that little metal bearing that we put in there, that metal spacer. That's going to compress this down. Then we'll go ahead and put our pigtail and our connection here. So let's go ahead and continue securing this down. Alright, there it is, nice and tight. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our pigtail down here. I believe that goes the other way. Alright, just like so. Plug that in. Then we have this stubborn sucker that keeps wanting to get in the picture. There it is. We're going to go ahead and connect that in there. Press it all the way in. And there it is. Press this in to secure it. And there it is. Now let's go ahead and put our covers back on. We're going to go ahead and grab this cover and slip it right in there. We're going to grab our retainer clips and clip them on one there. And the second one right here. Perfect. Let's go ahead and remove our oil cap. So put the oil cap for protection. That way no dust or any debris goes inside. We're going to go ahead and press this in here. Sorry, it goes slid in there first. Match it up with the oil port here. Just a clamp down on that side. Put the oil cap back on and you're set. Let's go ahead and start up the car. And the check engine's still going to be on, but you could drive it and it might go away. Or if you have an OBD2 scanner, you could clear it, do a drive cycle, shouldn't come back on. Had to go get the keys. And there it is. Check engine light is still on, but we're going to go ahead and clear that. Alright, and there we have the car connected to the OBD2 scanner. You can see all the emissions are complete. Go ahead and scan it. There it is, the one for the Evap. Go ahead and clear this. Alright, no more check engine. Alright, so we'll just drive it and we'll see if a check engine that comes back on. Still has this historic fault, but that's alright. After driving it, it should go away. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And you can see there, no more check engine. So like I said, try driving it and we should be set. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.